What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get your hands on the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffles dropping this upcoming Friday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a single section on how to get your hands on these hyped sneakers. Now, today's video, we're gonna be going over release details, how to cop, and resale predictions. Now, if you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed, you feel me? Make sure you guys go down right down there. You feel me? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying, are you guys gonna be going for these sneakers? Because these shoes is pretty hype. They've been rumored to release for a long time now. So make sure you guys do go check that out. So make sure you guys do go leave that comment in the comment section saying, are y'all gonna go for these shoes? All right, guys, so these shoes are gonna be releasing on the 6th of November for the US and the 13th of November for EU. And they are gonna be retailing at $180 US. Now, the total amount of stock for both colorways is gonna be around 55,000 stock for each colorway, the black and the color pair. Now, the total amount of stock for these shoes is going to be very, very limited. You know what I'm saying? It's not as limited as the off-whites, but it's very limited compared to the mochas. You know what I'm saying? Each colorway is going to have 55,000 each. So 55,000 stock for the black pair and 55,000 stock for the white pair. It's not exactly to the T, but it is going to be around 55,000 pairs for each colorway. Now, since these shoes are going to be very limited and the hype and demand is up there, you know what I'm saying? Because these shoes have been rumored to release for quite some time now, you know what I'm saying? So hype has begun to build up, and now that they're finally releasing and the stock is so low, you can't expect these to do numbers. Now, we're gonna go over some how to cop websites, and later on in the video, we're gonna go over the resale predictions. Now, the first website you're gonna wanna look at in the EU is Dover Street Market London. Now, Dover Street Market should drop around 6 a.m. EST to 7 a.m. EST, you know what I'm saying, converted over to US time. Now, although Dover Street is gonna be very difficult for manual users to cop off of, you know what I'm saying, I'm just putting it out there, so you can put a chance, you can put some effort in and try to cop them off Dover Street, but it is going to be pretty hard because bots do usually eat that website up. Now, the good thing about Dover Street Market London is you don't need a reshipper. If you guys don't know what a reshipper is, it's basically somebody you get to reship shoes from out of the country over to your country. So you won't need that because this website does ship worldwide. All right, guys, now your best chance of getting these shoes is going to be on Nike Sneakers. Nike Sneakers US in the EU version. Like you guys do know, Sneakers does hog all the stock for shoes. You know what I'm saying? Most of the stock, if it's 55,000 pairs, bro, I expect at least 30,000 to be on Nike Sneakers each colorway. That's just straight up, bro. 30,000 at least of each colorway on Nike Sneakers. So you are gonna have the best chance. Although there is a lot of people going for most sneakers, it is the most pairs on sneakers, you know what I'm saying? And also, Sneakers has upped this bot protection, so it probably will be more efficient to go for Sneakers than to go for Dover Street. And these shoes are gonna drop at 10 a.m. EST for the US and 9 a.m. CET for the EU. Now, these shoes are currently loaded as a Leo drop, which is a 3-minute draw, you know what I'm saying? So you have 3 minutes to get in all your accounts. If you do have multiple, you have 3 minutes and it will select a winner. But if it does get loaded as a Dan release, because sometimes they do switch the releases around before the actual release does happen, if this does get loaded as a Dan release is essentially a 10-minute draw. So you do have 10 minutes to enter in as much accounts as possible in order to increase your chances. Now, other sites that will be dropping these sneakers is going to be Kith, which is going to be probably around 10 a.m. EST. That's what time they usually do drop their shoes at. Undefeated and Dover Street Market New York, which does usually drop around 11 a.m. EST for hype drops like this. So make sure you guys do watch Kith at 10 a.m. EST and Dover Street Market New York at 11 a.m. EST. And as you guys know, those sites will not be easy cops for manual users because bots love to eat up Kith. They love to eat up Dover Street Market New York. So make sure you guys do watch those, but I'm not saying it's gonna give you the best chance to cop on there compared to sneakers, but it does give you an extra chance if you don't cop on sneakers. Now let's go over resale for these sneakers. Now, since stock is very low and demand is pretty high, you know what I'm saying, demand has built up over the months. I think these shoes were rumored over a year ago or just about. Bro, these shoes have been rumored for a minute. So, you know what I'm saying, demand has built up. Stock is very low. That equals numbers every single time. So these shoes are gonna do something, trust me, bro. So these shoes should be pretty profitable with good margins since the shoes are only $180. I do see these shoes hitting 300 plus, you know what I'm saying? Especially over time, these shoes are gonna go up over time. And these are the original colorways for this new silhouette. So they're probably gonna do numbers. So yeah, make sure you guys do keep your eyes out for these shoes on these 6, you know what I'm saying, so we can cook. Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying, you know what I'm saying, I'll stick to the end. I lasted, you know what I'm saying, because I appreciate you guys that last all the way to the end. It really makes a big difference, and I really appreciate y'all. But yeah, enough with that, but hey, man, I appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy, and I'm out.